Welcome to Math Practice with Mrs. Smith.
Hi, glad to see you here. Today we're talking about partial quotient division. Partial quotient division is just a way of sort of dividing up your division into easier chunks to work with. There's a lot to like about it. Here are some of the reasons why I like it, and I think you will too.
Number 1, you get to choose your own path. And number 2, you're also in charge of the numbers you use. Don't want to work with difficult numbers? Okay, you don't have to. You get to choose the numbers you're working with. And number 3, it may be easier to picture depending on the numbers that you're using. Those are the 3 top reasons why I love, and so does Ziggy, partial quotient division.
Yeah, it's awesome.
See, I told you Ziggy loved it. And if you want to be Ziggy's friend, you'll love it too. Or else you'll make Ziggy cry, and that's just too sad.
Let's see how it goes.
Let's use the problem 236 divided by 2. And we're going to solve it using partial quotient division.
Let's think about the problem like this. If you had a bag of candy with 236 pieces in it, and we wanted to share the candy equally with 2 of our friends, if we were really doing that, we probably wouldn't get out a piece of paper and figure it out mathematically. We would probably just stick our hand in the bag and give one of our friends 5 pieces, and then give the other friend 5 pieces. Check out the bag, see if you have more, and if you have more, then maybe you'd give each friend 2 more pieces and 2 more pieces. And you would just keep going until the bag was empty. Or until there were so few pieces in the bag, you didn't have enough to give each friend a piece anymore. You only had 1 piece left, so you stopped right there to keep it fair. And that's pretty much how partial quotient division works as well. We get to pick the path. We can hand things out 10 at a time, 20 at a time, however we choose to do it. And we can each make different choices too, and still get to the correct answer. So, for goodness sakes, if you get to choose the numbers you're working with, please make them easy numbers. So now, back to solving this problem.
The first thing we're going to do to set up the problem, after writing the problem, is we're going to draw this line down the right-hand side. If we weren't doing this together, we would probably all take a different path, and that's okay. That's supposed to happen in partial quotient division, but we're going to work this one together. Let's see, 236 pieces, and we're dividing it between 2 people. I know I have at least enough to give him 10 pieces, because that's only going to take 20, so let's start there. 10 pieces to 2 people. Well, that's going to take 20 pieces out of the bag, so I'm going to subtract 20 pieces out of the bag. So now we're down to 216 pieces left. Well, I could do 10 again, but I want to get done a little faster, so how about 100? I have enough for 100. 100 pieces to 2 people. That's only 200, and I had 216 in the bag, so I can subtract that off. I have 16 left. Well, I know I have enough then to give them each 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract that out of the bag, and I'm done. The bag's empty. And then we add up this column, 10 plus 100 plus 8, add them up. That gives us 118. And that's our answer we're going to write up at top, 118. How about one more example? 137 divided by 3. So 137 pieces of candy, I guess, let's say. We'll just keep it simple. And we're dividing it up amongst 3 people. So we draw a line down the right-hand side. And I could hand this out however I wanted. 10 at a time, 20 at a time, 30 at a time, as long as I had enough in the bag. Let's just start with 10 again. So 10 times 3, that's going to take 30 pieces out of the bag. So we can subtract that out. So I have 107 pieces left in the bag. Let's see if we can do a little better than that. Get done a little faster. So maybe let's try 20 pieces. I know that would take 60. 20 pieces to 3 people. That would take 60, and I have 107, so I have enough. Subtract that off. I'm gonna have to do a little borrowing over there. That's gonna give us 47. We could do 10 again. Let's try 10. 10 pieces to 3 people. That would take 30 more pieces out of the bag. I'm going to subtract that off. Notice we just keep repeating subtraction. So now we have 17 left. I could give them each 5 pieces. 5 times 3 would be 15. Subtract that out of the bag. I've got 2 left. I'm done because I don't have enough to hand out anymore. I have 3 people and only 2 pieces. We add a column over here. 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. Add them up. That gives us 45. And that's the number we're going to write, 45. And then we had 2 left over, so remainder 2. And there you have it. Another way to divide. Partial quotient division. Now, let's try one on your own, just to make sure you've got it. 536 divided by 4. Write it down and press pause while you work on it, because the answer's next. The answer is 144. Did you get it? Want to try one a little more challenging? How about this one? 3,536 divided by 5. Press pause. The quotient is 707 remainder 1. And there you have it, partial quotient division. It doesn't take long to get used to, and once you do, it could be a big time saver. If you need some help, you can always just refer back to this video. And make sure you subscribe so it's easier to find. Thanks for watching. See you next time.